What should you avoid in your marriage? Part 2. In my previous video, we explored how women's communication style can impact their relationships and how they should avoid code language while communicating with their spouse. In this video, let's see one of the things that men should avoid. Men, have you ever intentionally or unintentionally hurt your wife with thoughtless words or actions? Well, today we are going to explore how to overcome male insensitivity in marriage. According to author David E. Clark, men tend to have an insensitive streak, often struggling with selfishness, emotional unawareness, and rough communication. This trait dates back to Adam's response of blaming Eve in Genesis 3:12. Clark emphasizes that men typically struggle to understand women's emotional depths. Women are generally more sensitive and emotional. They scrutinize every word and action, often taking seemingly minor issues personally. A careless comment, tone, or glance can cause significant pain in a woman. She may not tell you, but inside she's hurt and feeling unloved. This dramatic difference in sensitivity is a major challenge in marriage. So, what does insensitive behavior look like? Dismissing her thoughts with words like, "You don't know what you're talking about," or "You are not making any sense," or "You're way too emotional," or interrupting her and telling her she's wrong to think or feel a certain way. Belittling her feelings by refusing to talk to her or ignoring her when she's talking about something you don't want to talk about. Being cynical or skeptical towards her. Cracking a joke to lighten the mood and prevent the conversation from getting deeper. Raising your voice and speaking loudly when a conversation happens. Making personal attacks on her and her family. Lying to avoid conflict. Criticizing or finding fault in her work, in her cooking, in her spending, family, in her weight, appearance, or her intelligence, and so on. Refusing to communicate details with her, like what time you're coming back home, or where you're going, and so on. Making financial decisions without consulting her. Pressuring her or forcing her to have sex without proper emotional and spiritual preparation. These are a few of the insensitive comments or behaviors a husband can indulge without even realizing it. Learning to be sensitive and understanding is difficult, but you can do it. Jesus set us an example for us in how to treat women. He loved women and treated them with dignity and respect. To him, they were equal in value to men. This was revolutionary thinking for his culture. Jesus shocked the Jewish world by including women to be in his larger group of disciples. He invited Mary, Martha, and Mary Magdalene into his inner circle. Jesus is our role model. The key verse about how to treat a wife is given in 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 7. Let's listen to this very carefully. In the same way, you husbands must give honor to your wives. Treat your wife with respect and understanding as you live together. She may be physically weaker than you are, but she is your equal partner in God's gift of life. Treat her as you should, so your prayers will not be hindered. God commands you to treat your wife as a precious, priceless person. She is equal in value and deserves your expression of dignity and respect. You need to handle her gently, kindly, and softly. You are to adore and cherish her. You are to express the utmost tenderness towards her. David Clark mentions that if you fail to treat her with this kind of understanding and sensitivity, your selfishness will block your access to God. The passage says that if you treat her right, your prayers will not be hindered. But if you treat her wrong, your most urgent and heartfelt request to God may go unanswered. So, men, there is a word of caution for you according to this passage. Let me highlight them. Treating your wife with understanding and sensitivity is vital. Mistreating your wife can hinder your prayers. Selfishness blocks your access to God. Spiritual dryness often results from mistreating one's wife. So, how can you avoid being insensitive? The first point I would like to mention is self awareness. Recognize your tendency towards insensitivity. Ask your wife to share when you're being insensitive and work together to eliminate any hurtful behaviors. Second point, empathy and active listening. Make an effort to understand your wife's perspective and feelings. Give her your undivided attention and show that you value her thoughts. Thirdly, respectful communication. Speak kindly, avoiding harsh or condescending tones. Choose words that will uplift and encourage her. Fourthly, validate her feelings. Avoid criticizing or dismissing your wife's emotions. Instead, acknowledge and validate her experiences. Fifth one, open communication and mutual respect. Prioritize transparency, honesty, and respect in your interaction. Foster an environment where both partners feel heard and valued. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you will strengthen your marriage, you will deepen your connection with your wife, and you will also nurture a more fulfilling spiritual life. Remember, overcoming insensitivity is a journey, and every effort counts. Start today and watch your relationship flourish. Thank you.